Eric Tinkler, new head coach for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. And Nkase Dinkankra Etehu Ede Achewiase nyina we biara awotie na nwumre se ogiri se pressure de ebi ebeba ebe hype this season. Na so nyina mu no Kotoko ebeba back to where they belong.
Obviously, I've known Asante Kotoko for a long time, especially as a coach, because, you know, the clubs that I coached and when we were in the CAF competitions, you always feared to get Asante Kotoko. You didn't want to play Asante Kotoko because you know the quality and the talent that comes out of the Ghanaian league is really massive. Truthfully, I wasn't a full-time follower of the club, but over the years, obviously, the club, which is a massive African giant club, is a club with a lot of history in African football, has kindly slipped down the table. Now, to see that happen to a club of this nature and this stature is obviously massively disappointing. And obviously they come off the back of what would be regarded as a very poor season, having finished 8th in the league. So coming to the club, I know the pressure that is obviously going to be under me because, you know, we need to achieve, we need to win things, we need to get this club back to where it belongs. We don't want to be calling it a sleeping giant. We want to be calling it a giant again. And we want to be competing at the highest level. And that is me as a coach. I want to compete at the highest level. I want to play in the highest leagues. So massive job ahead of us to fulfill our mandate, but a lot of positivity, believing that is what we can achieve. Obviously, in comparison, I would put it with Orlando Pirates, having coached Orlando Pirates, which is a massive club in South Africa. Asante Kotoko is no different. It's the highest supported club in Ghana. So there's a lot of pressure that comes with that and a lot of expectation. But as you said, I come with a lot of experience. I've been around with many clubs. I've been pretty successful in all the clubs that I've been to and coached. You know, I've been involved in CAF Champions League. I've been involved in CAF Confeds. I've got to finals. And that's going to be the objective and the purpose in hopefully a year's time, is that we can find ourselves in that group phase of CAF and competing at the highest level. So I think the 20 years of experience of coaching that I have is only going to benefit myself and obviously the club itself.
20 years experience in coaching. Ninyina no wade baba ye adwuma e de aboa Kotoko na tenwaso pa na nyesi wi afi na wose coach ne se style of play no kra te sei. Wose ne style of play no be hunu Dutch kakra. No hunu Spanish nso kakra. Na ebeye se basa ball no na efe papa.
I was a fan of Dutch football, Dutch playing philosophy, a massive fan of Spanish football, especially Barcelona was a team that I supported since the age of 10. They are my favorite club. And I think what is more important right now is putting the tiki-taka aside and the total football that you get from the KMVB. The game has evolved and has moved on, and as a coach I need to have a little bit of diversity in terms of how I want the team to play. And if there's one thing my career has helped me with, is that I'm actually a good tactician. I know systems, I know formations, I can adapt. And as I stated before, the game has evolved, and as coaches we need to think deeper. We need to have more than just a plan A. We must have a plan B, plan C. And at this level, good teams and great teams need to find a way to win. Now, the demand of the modern game is winning. But at the same time, what I don't want my team to do is forget the other side of the game, which is entertainment. It's what draws the spectators and the fans to stadiums. So I obviously want to see my team still play entertaining football, but know that at the end of the day, we are judged on whether we won or lost, where football has evolved. Myself as a footballer, I grew up listening to every command of the coach and respecting the coach and got shouted at a lot as a player. But I think my generation, we understood that, you know, and we didn't take it personal. I think the younger generation is slightly different. They see things differently, and I think my coaching has evolved in that area as well over the years. You know, go back 20 years ago to now, how I coach is very, very different to them. And the modern day coach, in my opinion, has to be passing on a lot more responsibility and ownership to the players. My job, truthfully, should be about managing, not coaching, you know. But that is an area African football that I still think needs a lot of development, because I don't think at our younger age groups the players are taught that tactical discipline, and there's a lot of areas of youth development that we still have to do at the highest level in Africa. But I firmly believe in the game not being coach-centered. I believe it to be player-centered, and then passing on that responsibility to the players becomes important. That they must realize that ultimately the one who's out on the field playing is not me, it's them, and they need to take ownership of that.
Good. Minya nanka yatu ya taraba na nso ebre nti no mama fa menu pin so na ye nchede aka no nkakra ache menu pajo anopa no na anwumre aye AJ Sports Complex nti yes coach no and I think la na mo masu mbompa ya na ha be mpa bo nsame yes nti mudi ka wi mpa ya no wi a no akasa mu se koyo fa so touch boat mu se ona exactly na so obobo no obo 6 on ai Bobby conference when koyo fa so 10 ba ya na say masa we player nti besa manena so ana no ana nkofo hwe no na Zack Engrem na ye hwe ti yes ono na touch ball no bio what do you say
the training no
yes
on general chain instructions
yeah okay o si park no so
you see
difference man
o said you move ball no when they are coaching
oppressor be park no so be
like the practical work no or the new gym emo e no
wow
to what has omo dress no mpo a on start eye e kire send ese wo ye no obako ha no aba no akwa no aba
ayi no mo huri no ba huri no huri na
no on kire wo
okay
then nse dress no yo de ball so na eye yo de ball na eye nti ball no ni nyina no when oya ono anso na start eye mapo no mabo so there are times you abun say on video ka mu baby on Hamza na demonstrate chiro mo first ansa na ntino unse because most washa as a Chelsea for put some videos of training na you see Xavi Alonso actively involved in training no because opposite or lady by example sometimes most of the things no one say on nature bako Carrick you see it
in your hano chabo no say acquire passer
sisana ntiana sana tiana
wow
coach na mo ball no asa honde no ho a ana they like to get involved most of the things that I course you know with a normal of those coaches
ball no be no
ana
or what pack no I practical ni bi a kire mo
during the practical
e man yes simple man players no
they want to on person demonstrate so that you understand some the mambo ball no I like omunye you know obe demonstrate kire mo by using ebia okoha no aba is there and I omonso a yes ball no ambo but dress ne dey
onim
obetimi I involve by baby I born ne dey dress ne or the ebo na ye wo dey you use ball na ye and the coach is epe no more and coach bia or person team keep possession bia no the dress or the ball na ye because e hona it's a short passes
okay
no about and most of this one touch and any possessive team bia no want their team there are places that one touch and a defenders opponent frame a create space at the mall. You understand why we are involved in the practical work because sometimes I know what here. Unzana
who go for pass on nano emunu between the moon and no
and say when you are crossing the ball.
Wow.
No person unya ben na
kwaba yes okay
so
yes we wunya yazaka we wuntumi enchechere
unse ko bo bi wo ayi park na wo ayi no o be bia na no bia ni bia ayi hospital ko bo fence ba asokwa asete ko so memma ayi pass bia ayi first been boy fence ba
Tony
Tony Montana.
Tony.
Sabo schools in 180 must have passed maybe.
Post schools.
Yes, from
okay.
From a center. From center.
Local street.
18-year boss.
Okay.
Number I assist.
Wow.
Kwaya born on fast so a Benny born. Oh, there's a video in the video trend. Sarah and we put the timer was there.
Okay.
Emma that day time and I upload say, hey, Sabu did.
We play.
We jump a chabo no more Tony Montana finish here no. Na FK. Indiana sanity is own.
You na coaches are not on board no. But when 709 so we campaign for say I don't know Ghana nkwadi players no okoye 22 hours we are we win the ball bon business na de akaye as much say ne nhihya omode ba ne de wa hwe ba te say de o kan na ho no pa wie numero betra 24/7
broni like nkase broni so onye broni obia o se ote the football ecosystem na se no footballers tino omoye ojuma no you are employed fully.
She said they aba ha e kwa nwumri.
Yes. You are employed fully. Say uye ojuma na yetua woka. Enti I say aba office no so uko office. You understand? Eti so what they do is say most of them omo take breakfast at the training ground.
By na no about take breakfast ho.
So omo tie omo ye na 9. Most of them now no by 6, 7. Na omu air I report. When you report, ebi go to a massage and there be a gym work be. Na omu take breakfast together before they go to training. Omu pon omu ba. Omu rooms like they have their rooms where you go and rest. Bet me akoda, bet me bibia, there are TV, there are everything, games. Bet me tete onum say dia am show us na I relax so kakra. Bet me rest. Rest rooms so. Good. Now we then they take lunch there. As a group before the time no so one obi akọ fie. It you are there who go office and opa no akọ fie nyum ra kwakoda. Do I drink na e ball no na wo kwakọ sua. Okay. But I don't know. Sikasemunti. Yeah, I say, boys, no. So, me training 2 I say, about 2 for Munko Jaja Kwan, a car for Money Moko. 2 no more point, 4, 5 na. Oh, you did. Some of them at best crown almost spending just 3 hours at the training ground. It's Anna Mwa. You understand why Papa idea or try say, or maybe all that I don't got facilities, no name, infrastructure, it will keep them there for long. Now, on my feel say, on my baby, and you may not coffee. I don't know, element in your baby. Because if you are you are going to sleep, you are going to rest. So, but because a lot of time, you are bet me there in the so, I like it's good. So, all try to bring that culture into our system.
But Zach, but I say, danger.
Barcelona type of football, entertainment football.
Yeah, baby, who Kumasia and Kotoko,
Mr. Tinkler. On the football in itself by its nature, to offer entertainment. Entertainment, number 1. And now, and I'm say football is kasemu muntino. Ya commercialize no, but football no idea. Ye offer entertainment and idea. Ye entertainment. Ye entertain ye ho. Enti obi bia or patronize game ni bia no, or patronize game no for the purposes of entertainment. Enti obi ko stadium, obi ko training grounds, obi who twemo fiche kwa na hu se nkofo bobo. It is because ball no attracts you by way of entertainment. It's sort of giving you entertainment. And to some attractiveness in the game will be skill set be or demonstrating when say now a show now when you ho na wajina ho na washebi. And football is for entertainment. Football is purely an entertainment thing. And he said obika say obe offer entertainment through football. I think say na just say or the football no senior football ideas exercise the man no and no person obey no. We say football I revolve sa kofa I modify no coaches say try ya ma your aspect be how do be ya normal limited entertainment no na akwa say direct resource. On say resource no ya boy we na score line abemu no. Ya share 1 and 2 and 3 whatever draw those kind of things. But the acting itself no the entertainment. Enti yeah of entertainment no now lead to a certain results. Then you commercializing no you generate you turning into revenue generation. Not just say on and on like that. Enti it is refreshing to hear say Kotoko coach say opese oma the patrons of the game, particularly Kotoko supporters, some entertainment through football. Enti actually will say
na obi say sa ne ball na who players ni Ghana sisi ebi wa how one na ya dwen sa
you see players
the style of play no
ebi wo ho so o ka say ebi a obehia mre any quality facilities to do that meaning ba call be adwen but players say bi a on be ball no I entertaining patrons there ebi wo ho
okay
on say naturally Ghana for your skill set no one that is embedded and I say it's set to give you entertainment in the first place. Yeah, skill set no. For instance, okofa yen na okofa ebia England for you got 2 different skill sets. Ghana for there no, Eben Ben and I say Brazil for there no, and they Spain for the should be any other countries bi no sa agro football no one ball na didi agro kakra na wo ball na who you catch now we dance with the ball now we show skill sa no man natural innate the wo yen ana sis mpatose me right the wo yen enye yensua the Ghanaian young man and I say footballer oba obemo so okaso obebo baller o kick ball around the street now who skill set no nimu enti there and we are not lacking of it. Just that yeah harness here. Sisi you know yeah kosua a baby for there because of results unti. I say yeah more direct than harnessing the skill set to provide that kind of entertainment. And just also yeah your home materials no. The only thing is that you need the quality facilities and also be here time. Say if Nimi no dia, I will agree with whoever want to toe that line. No, obey time to do that. Emma and Ebia first season, who can cross semblances of what he wants to show. And yeah, they but on moving to be at the second season, the third season. No, now when you have full blown entertainment in the amount, and yeah, the time aspect. No. Facilities in your pitches, no. Training pitches, football pitches, no ball, no also no. For instance, so call. Some of our Premier League pitches now. A better thing say about entertaining football no. A better thing you may have to go for results because in the end say results now nobody will talk about entertainment Until in the end you have to until your baby no more pitch now crab entertainment in crab more until never be an entertainment in a few coach that one too I see you too offer
coach over the coach in catch coach you know the background no Dutch and South Africa all these 2 countries don't play defensive football so if you are South Africa for they want to play possessive football can't Dutch for total football only free and that's why for fire no more tricking kakra and no dey say take attack and buy what I say you are Cruyff and this are total football no echo Spain as you know South countries of free money na no blood no and that of defensive play. So we catch us a Ghana side players no be anyhow. Everybody can every and referee Ghana naughty. Ghana is lucky this talent there. Right? But how and about for Ghana? You bet me a nature talent no. Amana blossom to become big no. And I lucky. Coaching has been a big problem. Your coach is never hano. Either a whom and now say the no more say oh it almost to be now. You're not coaching now. Quite say, young corporate team, young company, winning and what I say, you have to stay on the job. I want to say the area with this rectangular.
Okay.
For the government, of our summer can make and say,
quick one.
think like Juma oh yeah no. I urge Asante Kotoko board and management say they have to act fast because most of the players are on training now. On your bench, on your status. So unless Kotoko want to keep this players on for the account, but if they go to the marketer, they need to act fast because man training baby do biano coming back and earning. It is why your players don't want go through. Even though we had man from the onset, but now your players are obey you some partner. What I say, or don't more. So let's see the Kotoko and then I'm the Bedema HW on my farm. Yeah, one for me, Sana transfer not here. Kotoko, and they'll be a first week in the year. Young fans say, I've been a coach in the Baba. From the second week, they need to move. Now, you say, that player from Bayamano.
But I say, Captain Akomia, such a make us over Hona, and
to them, I'm in break because I say, over. Still, almost I'm for Kotoko winning to so some men can hear anyhow.
I into so.
I'm on for Kotoko video and sound to sub you, mamma. Now, training video, no, if I ain't you make it to a bina. Then some video in BM now. Of our video, say. Video here, the download do I and day tomorrow.
Opposite, I need that, and I just another training. I need that quality no so.
First of all, Brandon we here. At the end of the day, no boys friend settings. Boys no friend settings. Over settings near say. At the end of the day, bit me a shama. O tencha who say any day na fe wa to ana obo tirinko say kai. At the day, Abranti a farmer knows na hui ni ho. The decision to come and train at Pajo and Kotoko a lot. Oh, the Kotoko now have an international coach. South Africa to be precise. Social media and infendi agro. So cabro for the OYB omohe. Of what I say.
Yes.
See Trebi be ba. Now so a Hana Kotoko ye training. Ni pananya fe no ko bisa obi o te abuja fe no ko bisa sa Kotoko training do nim se Kotoko ye training wa. So to some extent no. Initially no whilst they are fixing Adakwejachi and working towards Adakwejachi, I think say coming to Pajo a lot of advantage.
Okay.
For the image of the club, especially to the international world. Yeah, it's a guy named say Nyakotkodia. But say Kotkodia and Nyakotkodia, baby, I could training in just that as a simple enforceable modern. Next time I could baby you all go back to Adakwejachi. Now we try Adakwejachi so na Kamasi, especially for the international world. So good job done and good graphics. I mean video and any doubt. Oh, they can do it. Oh, they can. But Chen in your house.
I can send me a sister when I had Jehovah. Send a much.
Sending me only say Obed is talking about. On the image now, we know.
Oh, I was I don't know. So, one year will be able to be one more, some track, and also be an offender.
Okay,
yeah,
okay. That's
well, cook restaurant, scout, I know I'm a cross one of Yadin, almost contractors.
Even if say dying crana, me may be able to over summer. Obet me baby kid to over studio yako for videos in there. Over Cornavia, a corner bear a honey how. But since your honey children pa no would also a chira, a chenia bassa, but since joint in Yama, joint in any other hammer, and you're met me cool. So I think that is good. Offer the attitude of the players. Ye be mo. We be
Obia, Madame Peso be able to be so.
I mean, how much in a story on Inusa Adams. You bear story on this. We justify both. So what I say.
Some kind also the Mumu Bia play Bias and contract to Quadia Omra. No, so my do it my Manolan cheese also or country here no na on also children.
We should coach in a system no person bona. Coach no boy 4-2-3-1. That one always call for a creative for a typical number 10. Into minimum call for 2 players ni before. What I say, there's a story. I mean, much now.
Because manager who say the beer started fresh into Ozenka. Oh no, young we crown or the 2 and 2 say Menekotoko, we diminism Sanona. Ekipuno no. Ah, even Kwame Crown or Guinness House when they come over. Best
starting a baby.
Oh,
so good start so far. Preseason they won't mean come out in baby, shake up kakra, no I ball kakra, but Kotoko is paying attention to details. I heard him say now that confirms that the whole brand better now. Over Anka quickly or month next season your man starting bra.
So you have a point.
Oh yes. It's almost started about because season
a bit delay kakra because of the uncertainty around a lot of things.
On say.
But
on say coach.
Almost fast track it.
Good.
Almost fast track it, but you see, you can't blame them because
no. What's a blame?
Production of.
Sir, Utien kasa blame me.
No, me they can't say. About production of such things now, it take a bit of time. So,
say at the end started na say a ton year of a year at the end say is a man for attention in Baswa. Honey, you season. Dear Kotoko Yin Menzo Aba, Eric Tinklaba. Very soon they will start naming players. Oh, into players neighbor no. Han attention with him no. Other appointment beba. Han attention no. Ti han anka ujesi saba. Now was store bi we dum. Oh, edum over.
Because we so mo abeto mo de.
When store bi we dum kakra. It offer stores in the board but you bu our gidin pa. Ba be call the store na ketua bi. Na sa ade na abeto. Ba ade na yi ama. Na dem wo afede se ho hia. Oh, when you be a tech, when keten kakra. Sabre na nneoma e wo team no ho ne positive. Nti ofa ombre ne ton. Ba sa wo twen ebia season ne ye be pre-season kura wie na ebia ofa on say e ba sana na ne nya eja no edumba. So if there is anything I think it should be coming any moment from now. You might say you best start to as a coach na shebi no me decent pictures. That is where you are going to get a return. So honestly, I'm looking at when it should be coming. As I say, okay. Because social now the kind of images that they are selling any TV station about any sports station. Also they say we World Cup no, and we Blasters in your man. And any TV station be a track sports be ano. Kotoko is now giving you the content. So Kotoko a rasa space no. Into rasa space no. Wow, value Jesse Fufro would the big frau new players are. Supporters in our condos on Baby PBS.
Sure.
I think that should be the target. I honor there. We want to say and Casabri there and cover. If you can design, I want for now design Pumba.
Yeah.
San Yohana start here, but I waiting for Peter Tibia, your creative pre-order. Is it go for a pre-order? Design the buy and the other two pre-order. Utria into a bebano crano. What other son about? These are some of the things that we expect when it comes to the affairs of a Kumasa.